question number 1. Divide x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 by x plus 2. So this is our dividend and this is our divisor. So we will write like this. So now what we have to do, here we have 4 terms. So the first term is x cube and the divisor is x plus 2 and the first term of dividend is x cube. Now we have to think that what should be multiplied with this x so that we get the first term, which is equal to x cube. So it is very clear that x multiplied by x square is x cube. So now what we will do, we will write x square. So we will get, when x is multiplied by x square, we will get x cube. And when 2 is multiplied by x square, we will get plus 2 x square. Now we will subtract. So x cube minus x cube. This will be cancelled. And 13x square minus 2x square. So 13 minus 2 is equal to 11x square. And we will write the remaining terms as it is. So we will get plus 32x plus 20. Now again we have to think of a number which when multiplied by x will give 11x square. So now x multiplied by 11x is equal to 11x square. So now we will write plus 11x. So x multiplied by 11x will be equal to 11x square. Now when plus 2 is multiplied by plus 11x, we will get plus 22x. Now we will subtract. So the sign will be changed. So this will get cancelled. Plus 11x square minus 11x square. So now we will be left with plus 32x minus 22x. And we know that 32 minus 22 is equal to 10. So we will get 10x and plus 20 we will write as it is. So now again we have to think of a number which when multiplied with x will give us 10x. So clearly the number is 10. X multiplied by 10 will be equal to 10x. So now we will write plus 10. So x multiplied by 10 is equal to 10x and plus 2 multiplied by plus 10 will be equal to 2 tens are 20. Now we will subtract. So plus 10x minus 10x will get cancelled and plus 20 minus 20 will be cancelled and we will be left with 0. So when x cube plus 3x square plus 32x plus 20 is divided by x plus 2, our quotient is x square plus 11x plus 10 and our remainder is 0. This is our answer. Now question number 2. Divide px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 by x minus 1. So now we have to think of a number which when multiplied by x will give x to the power 4. clearly the number is x cube. So now x multiplied by x cube is equal to x to the power 4. And now when minus 1 is multiplied by x cube, we will get minus x cube. So now if we divide, the sign will be changed. So x to the power 4 and minus x to the power 4 will be cancelled. So we will get plus x cube. But there is no term which contains x cube. So now we will write plus x cube as it is. And minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we have to think what should be multiplied with x so that we get x cube. So clearly x square. So x multiplied by x square is x cube. So we will get x cube minus x square. When minus 1 is multiplied with x square, we get minus x square. Now the sign will be changed. So it will become minus and this will become plus. So it will be cancelled. So minus 3x square plus x square. So minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So we will get minus 2x square plus 2x plus 5. We will write the other terms as it is. So now again we have to think of a number which when multiplied with x, so we will get minus 2x square. So minus 2x. So x multiplied with minus 2x will give minus 2x square. So now here we will write minus 2x. So when x is multiplied with minus 2x, we will get minus 2x square. And when minus 1 is multiplied by minus 2x, minus minus will become plus. So we will get plus 2x. Now the sign will be changed. So minus 2x square plus 2x square will get cancelled. Plus 2x minus 2x. This will also be cancelled. And we will be left with 5. So our remainder is 5. So quotient is x cube plus x square minus 2x and remainder is equal to 5. This is our answer. Now one question for practice. Divide py is equal to y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 3 by y minus 2. So try to solve this question by yourself. You can write your answer in the comment section. Also you can check your answer in the description. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching.